sugar, spice, and everything nice. These were the ingredients chosen to create the perfect little girl. But Professor Utonium accidentally added an extra ingredient to the concoction, Chemical X. Thus, the Powerpuff Girls were born! Using their ultra superpowers, Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup have dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of evil!
Hi, I'm Blossom!
I'm Buttercup.
And I'm Bubbles!
And we are the Powerpuff Girls.
Welcome back to our vlog. Have you heard about exponential functions before?
Yes, Blossom. Exponential function is a function whose value is a constant raised to the power of an argument.
Yeah, Bubbles. But do you know that we can also use exponential functions in real life?
That's right, Buttercup. We're going to give examples of how they are used in our society, just like in bacterial growth.
Oh, and also for the population growth, and lastly for compound interest.
The first example is bacterial growth. If you start with one bacterium and it doubles every hour, you will have 2x of the bacteria after x hours. This can be written as f of x is equal to 2 raised to x. As an example, we will have f of 0 is equal to 2 raised to 0 equals 1. In an hour, we will have f of 1 is equal to 2 raised to 1 equals 2. In 2 hours, we will have f of 2 is equal to 2 squared equals 4, and so on and so forth. Just like one of the diseases, tuberculosis, the acute phase of exponential bacterial growth in the lungs is followed by a chronic phase characterized by relatively stable numbers of bacteria, and the worst note is that they can replicate exponentially if not treated.
The second is on population growth. The formula is P equals to P sub 0 E raised to K times T, where P represents the population and PO is the initial population, K is the growth rate, T is the amount of time, and E has a numeric value. As an example, we have 320,000 is equal to 250,342 E raised to 0.012 times T. The human population is increasing exponentially. As of 2019, the total population of the world exceeds 7.71 billion, and it amplifies day by day.
Last but not the least, we have the compound interest. Compound interest is the addition of interest to the principal amount of a loan or deposit, or in simpler words, interest on interest. Compound interest at a constant interest rate provides exponential growth to the capital. Example, your parents invested $1,000 in a saving account for college at the time you are born. The average interest rate is 4% and is compounded quarterly. How much money will be in college account when you are 18 years old? Substitute it to the formula A is equal to P times 1 plus R over N raised to M multiplied by T, where we let P is equal to 1000, R is equal to 0.04, N is equal to 4, and T is equal to 18. Then we will get $2,047.10, which showcase exponential growth in the saving your parents invested in your account. On the other hand, logarithmic functions are the inverses of exponential functions. We can use it in real life, like
it is used to measure the magnitude of an earthquake. Magnitude refers to how much energy is released by the quake. Instruments called seismographs to detect movement in the earth and show waves with amplitude A sub 0.
The decibel or logarithmic scale for measuring sound is that the ear is capable of perceiving sounds over a very wide range of intensity levels. The decibel is a logarithmic way of describing a ratio.
We hope that you learned a lot from us.
We really enjoyed discussing exponential and logarithmic functions in real life with you.
Once again, we are the Powerpuff Girls. I'm Blossom.
I'm Buttercup.
And I'm Bubbles. See you on our next video.